We'll see how well this comes out. This would be the bull's I'd like to get her from the back. This side. There's my one that sits like a dog. Let's see if she walks by. She's deep, thick, long. This probably won't work good now as we go out the door with the light. She's a big cow. She's gonna make a nice calf. She's not that far off either. We're getting a little better. So this is stage one. As they get closer, we move them to a different spot. So yeah, she's one of my better built cows, and she's got genetics like crazy. I can send you the genetics on her too. So.